everyone, I'm from Ukraine. I'm at Xiufeng Peak on Mountain Lu in Jiujiang. You know what? The poem Li Bai wrote, this is the exactly place he wrote about.
基山，
这棵松树有900年的历史。
变聪明吗？
老师，请问这个聪明泉喝了会变聪明吗？
这个聪明泉呢，喝了每天喝的话会延年益寿的，对我们身体是非常好的。因为里面呢含有10多种的矿物质。
谢谢。那我也要喝一口。
来尝一下。
好喝。很好喝。
变聪明了吗，姐妹？
还没有，要喝多一点。快告诉李白，我想喝鲜糊咖啡了。这里有好多石头上刻的字，观一刻可以观。哇，这就是乐山瀑布。This is 乐山，比照片里还好看。哇，这个水从上来的，很清晰，很凉快，很爽。Wow, look, that's the waterfall Li Bai saw. 2 cascades flowing down together. One is Huanyan Waterfall, the other is Mawei Water, together known as Kaisian Twin Waterfalls. Very beautiful. Today at Xiufeng, I saw the waterfall Li Bai once saw and touched the very characters Mi Fu carved into the stone. Over 1,000 of years have passed. The waterfall still flows, and the words still remain on the rock. I guess this is the charm of China. The scenery may be ancient, but every time you see it, it feels brand new.